Hey everybody! So I'm so excited about today's video because I have just been doing some research on some ingredients and just checking into some other brands and just realizing how actually amazing our ingredients are in our lipstick and lip gloss especially. So I'm going to talk about our lip gloss first. You guys, I just want to read you the ingredients and I want to show you this beautiful new packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? Like seriously, so gorgeous. This color, it's called Pout, and I'm just going to show you here. It is just a very beautiful shade, similar to our previous Perfect Pout. And I just want to read you the ingredients because I just feel like it's very, very eye-opening. Also, if you got a bliss box with the smaller trial size or travel size thing of lip gloss, this is, I think, very similar to the same formulation, not necessarily the same color. But listen to these ingredients: castor seed oil, candelilla wax, I think that's how you say that, shea butter, jojoba oil, aloe leaf extract, chamomile extract, grapefruit seed extract, vanilla extract, titanium dioxide, which is natural minerals for color, mica, which is also another natural mineral for color, and iron oxides. And again, that's that minerals for the color. You guys, a lot of people that make lip gloss and lipstick, a lot of companies that make lip gloss and lipstick, the color they use is from like Red 30. Like I literally was researching another lip gloss or another lipstick that's a really popular brand. I counted 43 ingredients in this lipstick, and ours has 15, you guys, just 15 ingredients, and they're amazing ingredients, you guys. Look it up for yourself, like look up some of the ingredients in other lipsticks and lip glosses and let me know what you think. I also wanted to show you just kind of how it looks like. It's just a really nice tube. So this is the Goddess color. It's pretty shimmery. It's more shimmery than I prefer for lip gloss, but still a really pretty color. Lip glosses are $16 each. You can also do a pick 3 lip gloss pack for $42, which is awesome. So just a note for if you can't decide on which lip gloss colors to get. I did not show them here in the video, but I can actually show you them on the page here in the catalog. There you go. You can also see them on the website. Anyway, I love our new lipstick colors and our new lip glosses, and I know that you guys will too. And I'm actually going to be showing you exactly what all the lipsticks look like on. Now, one of my absolute favorite colors is the new Flirt. It's just a very neutral color. Like I said, just a very neutral color. Isn't that gorgeous? I love our new packaging. It is quite a bit shorter than our previous lipstick, but it is the same amount of lipstick that was in the previous tube. And the lipsticks are $17, which is an amazing price. Will last you a very long time. Our new lipsticks smell so good. They actually smell like vanilla. Like, I wish you guys could smell these. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for you guys to try these. Okay, so the next one I'm going to try is called Impulse. And this is just, I would say a pinker shade, more hot pink. That one, can you guys see that okay? You guys, I just love how this lipstick smells. Like, honestly, I can't believe how good this stuff smells. I absolutely love it. So I feel like this particular shade doesn't do much for my skin tone, but it's not bad either. It's not a color that I would normally choose, but like I said, not bad. So again, that was the shade Impulse. All right, the next shade I'm going to try is this shade called Lavish. It is a gorgeous dark shade, more wine colored if you will. And I would say this one's great for like more formal occasions. Really like that one. That one again was called Lavish. All right, the next shade that I'm going to be doing is called Petal. This one is really, really pretty matte pink color. And this is the color that the model in the catalog is wearing. It's just a really pretty, like almost nude color. Love it. Oh my goodness. Some of these I'm literally trying for the first time. You guys, I really like this one. What do you think? Oh my goodness, that is such a pretty subtle color. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna be putting this one back on when I'm done with this video. I'm gonna be trying Cosmo. This is a pretty bright color, so I'm excited about this one. Let's see here. Guys, this lipstick goes on really, really smoothly, and it makes my lips feel really moisturized. That one's not bad either for a nice fun color. All right, now the last shade I'm gonna try is Cabernet, and we've had this shade before. They kept it pretty much the same, but I just wanna put it on so you guys know what it looks like. Guys, I just love how this lipstick smells and tastes. This one is great for events. And it goes with most skin tones. Honestly, I loved our previous lipstick as well, but I will say this stuff goes on a lot smoother. I mean, not that the old stuff didn't go on smoothly, but I can just notice this one is very, very creamy, and I really like it. Cabernet. I think I forgot to mention with the lipstick is you can actually, if you decide you love like 3 shades, you can actually get 3 of them for just $44, which brings them each down to like less than $15 a piece for the lipstick. All right, so next I wanna talk to you guys about our brand new eyeshadow palette. Now we have 2 new ones that were put in the catalog. Some of you have tried the eyeshadow palettes before. These are I think they were all in bliss boxes, but they are all available in the catalog now. So I am going to start with my favorite one. This is the Java Obsession eyeshadow palette. Now, one really cool thing about these is that they are baked, and which means they're not full of a bunch of toxic chemicals. Our baked eyeshadows are $15, which I think is a great price because you're getting 3 shades of eyeshadow and they last you so long. And so the other one that we've had for a while already is our Cocoa Confection. So that one is not new, but it's still a really pretty color. I would say that one's definitely more brownish with a redder tint. And then, like I said, the Java one, that one's more just true brown with like a gold highlighter. Now, we have a brand new palette called Northern Lights, and this is a genuine smoky eye palette. So if you're a smoky eye fan and you love to do all the shading and contouring, this is a great palette for you. It just has a really, really pretty grayish blue colors in there. And again, you guys, these are just, I just feel like the ingredients in this baked eyeshadow palette are amazing. Lavender extract, safflower oil, thyme extract, green tea extract. You guys, like normal eyeshadows do not have these ingredients in them. So anyway, those are 3 eyeshadow palettes. Absolutely love them. Now, I wanted to share a bonus word for this video, and that is going to be my favorite new lipstick color, Flirt. So Flirt is your bonus word for this video. If you text that to me in a text back, it will enter you for the giveaway for today, which I sent you in the text message. Also, I did not mention in today's video about our new concealer. New concealer did not come out right away with the other products, so I wasn't able to order that. As soon as I get it, I want to do a video so that you guys can see how it works. It is a liquid concealer. I know that it's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to try it, and I will definitely let you know what I think about it as soon as I try it. In the meantime, you guys can totally try it. It comes in fair nude, medium beige, a green corrector, which is great for blemishes and spots, and then a pink brightening, and that's great for like brightening under your eyes and stuff. The concealer is $18, and it's a pretty generous size tube, and it will last you a really long time. So Hope that helps. And again, I will get you guys more information on that as soon as I have it, but it is available to order. So ladies, I wanted to talk a little bit about makeup from a Christian perspective. I know that makeup, especially in our conservative cultures, has often been, I don't know if you want to say taboo or just discouraged as far as from wearing it. And I can understand the reasoning behind that. However, I just kind of wanted to share how I feel about it. I feel like makeup is just like anything else. It can be used in moderation and it can be a beautiful thing. I know for me, there's plenty of other things that I do for my appearance, not just makeup wise, but you know, as women, we have a desire to, you know, dress well and to, you know, find a hairstyle that complements our face and, you know, all these different things. And I guess my personal feelings is that makeup should be worn in a way that highlights our natural beauties and the features that are already there instead of making us look like an entirely different person. I often tell people that, you know, makeup is fun, it's art. And the cool thing is we are coloring a picture that's already done. So it's not like we're gonna mess it up or we have to do a whole bunch of things to it. It's more like just coloring in the places that maybe would look great if it was a little bit brighter, or darkening the places that would look good a little bit darker. And like I said, again, just accentuating the natural beauty that God has already given us. I remember hearing a preacher one time saying that, you know, he gets asked a lot if it's wrong for women to wear makeup. And he's like, well, you know, he can understand where they're coming from, but he feels like it's wrong for some women not to wear makeup. And I don't know, I just always thought that was funny. And, you know, I am here to say as well, like, I totally respect, you know, people who have chosen not to wear makeup. That's totally fine, but I feel like, I just wanted to kind of share where I'm at, because I do have some really good conversations sometimes with just my friends and my customers, and I love just kind of sharing where I stand on everything. And I feel like makeup can be worn in a way that is very elegant and classy. And one thing that I always laugh about is when a woman tells me that, oh, her husband doesn't like makeup, he doesn't like it. And a lot of times what I find is that the husband does not like blue eyeshadow and he doesn't like red lipstick. But chances are he hasn't even noticed when somebody's wearing makeup in a way that is complementing to her facial features and in a way that's very subtle and classy. Chances are he doesn't even know she's wearing any. So anyway, those are just my rambling thoughts, and I'd love to hear your thoughts as well, just your thoughts on makeup and, you know, maybe some things the Lord has taught you in the past, just with, you know, moderation and knowing, knowing how to invest in our physical appearance without spending too much time there. And I know for me, it is a challenge all the time to ask myself, okay, am I spending more time externally than I am on my inside, you know, on making sure that I have a beautiful heart? And so anyway, those are just my thoughts. Maybe you're not even interested, and that's fine. But yeah, I just thought I would share that with you all, and hopefully it can open up some fun conversations. So thanks so much for tuning in today, you guys. If you ever need any makeup help, I'm here for you. If you live local to Lancaster and you'd like a private makeup consultation, I would love to do that for you as well. You can just come over and we'll play with makeup and find the right foundation shade and all that fun stuff. All right, ladies, have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you later. Hey ladies, so here's a little bonus. If you would like an extra entry into today's giveaway, here's your task for the day. Get 2 or 3 of your favorite products together, take a picture of them, and either post them on your wall or on your Instagram stories, or do a post on Instagram. Tag me and tell us why you love it. So make sure and tag me wherever you put it and tell us why you love those specific lemongrass items. Thanks!